Hi guys, we're back again at Dick in the Kitchen, and today we're going to make a famous German staple pork schnitzel. It's crispy, it's delicious. It's not only that, it's easy, and I'm going to show you how to make it the right way. So stick with us. We're going to have pork schnitzel, and then we're going to have some really delicious lemon thyme orzo to go with it. So stick with us. We're going to make some great stuff today. Don't go away. Come on. Our first step today is to take all of our pork slices and lay them out and put the two of them at a time in between pieces of plastic wrap. And we're going to take our meat mallet and gently beat on it until we get it nice and even. We're going to thin it out a little bit till it's like, a little bit less than 1/4 of an inch. And then do that with all of our slices of pork until we have them all nice and even. The next step is also quite simple. We take 3 shallow bowls, and in the first one we put some flour. In the second one we beat and whisk 2 eggs. And in the third one we put our panko. So the first thing we do is we take those nice even pieces of pork that we just flattened and first dip it in the flour. Make sure you get it coated quite evenly. Then take and dip it into the egg. Make sure that you let the excess drip off. And then lastly, we put the fillet into our panko. Make sure you press it in there real good so that the panko sticks to the pork and it'll be all set for frying. Before we start to fry our pork, we're going to make our orzo, and to do that, first thing we do is we zest 1/2 of a lemon, take and dice up 1/2 of a medium onion and mix them together. We're then going to take and put into a saucepan about 1 tablespoon of olive oil, add 1 1/2 cups of orzo, our diced onion and our lemon, as well as 1/4 teaspoon of dried thyme. We mix these together, kind of brown them gently, and then add 1 1/2 cups of chicken stock to that and let it come to a slow simmer. Take the orzo, cover it, and set it aside, and you can tell it's done when it has absorbed all of the liquid and it's ready to eat. Okay, it's time to get schnitzely. We're going to add about 1/2 inch of oil to our skillet and let it heat up till it's shimmering. When it gets hot, about 350 degrees, we gently put our cutlets in there and cook them about 3 to 4 minutes on each side until they're golden brown, as you see them right here in the picture. To serve our schnitzel, all we do is we take a lemon and slice it up nicely and add slices of lemon to our schnitzel along with some chopped parsley. And a little squeeze of lemon on the schnitzel really brightens the flavor. There you have it, perfectly cooked pork schnitzel with lemon and lemon orzo. You gotta love it. So come on and join us again next week for another great recipe, and we'll see you soon.